We'll guide you through how to make bubble in Illustrator. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because bubble effects are popular in digital illustrations, icons, stickers, and playful graphic designs. Many beginners want to learn how to create transparent, glossy bubbles in Adobe Illustrator. Start your Adobe Illustrator application. Once the workspace appears, go to the menu bar at the top of the screen and click File. From the drop-down menu, choose New to open the preset selection window. Pick your preferred preset size based on your project needs, then click Create to open a new document. To begin creating the bubble base, go to the toolbar and select the Ellipse Tool. Hold down the Shift key while dragging on the canvas to create a perfect circle. Once your shape is ready, set the Fill and Stroke options. Disable the stroke by selecting the stroke box and choosing None. Then change the fill color to your preferred bubble color. After that, go back to the menu bar and click Object. From the drop-down menu, choose Path, then select Offset Path from the submenu. A settings window will appear. Set the offset value to a negative number. For example, use -20, then click OK. Select the new offset shape and switch the fill and stroke settings. Change the current stroke color to white to create the bubble highlight. Next, adjust the stroke width to 20 points. Change your tool to the Direct Selection tool. Click on the anchor points of the white stroke and delete unnecessary sections until only one curved part remains. Select the remaining white curve, then open the stroke panel and change the cap style to rounded cap for a smoother appearance. Switch back to the regular selection tool. Select your bubble shape, copy it, and paste it behind the main object. Move the copied object slightly to the top diagonal left using your arrow keys. Select Bubble Shape, open the Pathfinder panel, and choose Divide. Right-click your selection and click Ungroup. Select the top left diagonal section and delete it. Then select the bottom right diagonal section and change it to a darker shade of your current color. Finally, select all objects and adjust the opacity to your preferred amount. Your bubble is now ready.